What happens when you ask Meta AI to write sentences at different English levels? I wrote this to Meta AI. Write sentences with 3 as the idea in A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2 English level. Meta AI replied, here are some sentences featuring the concept of 3, tailored to respective CEFR levels. These sentences demonstrate increasing complexity in grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure as the CFR levels progress. CEFR, Common European Framework of Reference Levels, measure English proficiency. Main levels A1 Basic, A2 Elementary, B1 Intermediate, B2 Upper Intermediate, C1 Advanced, C2 Proficient. Let's take a look at the sentences. A1 Beginner, simple sentences. There is a tree in my garden. I like the tree. The tree is green. I see a tree. The tree is big. A2 Elementary Simple Sentences. The tree in our backyard is very tall. My favorite tree is an oak. We have a tree at home. Trees are green. We planted a tree. B1 Intermediate Basic Complexity. The ancient tree in the village square has historical significance. The tree which was planted last year is now blooming beautifully. Trees provide us with oxygen. The tree in our garden needs watering. Trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis. The tree sheds leaves in autumn. The tree planting helps reduce carbon emissions. B2 Upper Intermediate Moderate Complexity. The intricate patterns on the tree bark indicated years of environmental adaptation. The tree's unique shape, characterized by its twisted branches, has become a local landmark. The tree's roots stretch far beneath the surface. Deforestation poses significant threats to tree populations. The tree's canopy filters sunlight effectively. Deforestation accelerates climate change. Tree rings indicate historical climate patterns. C1 Advanced Complexity. The majestic oak tree with its sprawling canopy and gnarled roots exemplified the symbiotic relationship between nature and art. The arboreal masterpiece with its elegantly pruned foliage and sturdy trunk epitomize the artist's nuanced understanding of natural forms. The tree's bark exhibited an intricate pattern of grooves. Urban tree planting initiatives enhance environmental sustainability. The tree's root system facilitates soil erosion prevention. Urban tree cover mitigates the urban heat island effect. Tree biodiversity enhances ecosystem resilience. C2 proficient, sophisticated complexity. The sentient towering tree, imbued with mystical significance by the indigenous community, stood as a testament to the intricate web of relationships between nature and culture. The arboreal ecosystem's resilience was exemplified by the tree's adaptability. Phenological observations indicate trees respond dynamically to climate fluctuations. The symbiotic relationship between trees and mycorrhizal fungi optimizes nutrient uptake. Trees' phenology responds dynamically to climate fluctuations. The arboreal ecosystem's complexity underscores the importance of conservation efforts. When I ended with thank you, Metai, I then answered like this. You're welcome. It was a pleasure helping you with the CFR level sentences and study plans. If you need more assistance or have other questions, feel free to ask. So that's a session of Ask Metai about English. Please excuse any mistakes in my pronunciation, intonation, and writing. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I hope you found value in this video. Stay curious and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.